Hello, here is Airguns and ASG channel. Today I got for you the PT-85 Blowback, which is the 177 in US and 4.5 millimeters in Europe airgun. And this is really cool, fully metal with blowback mechanism gun, as you can see, and here it is really a good made pistol. This is actually not a replica of any known gun. It may be similar to Beretta, but it's really handy and heavy and good in hand. Okay, so today we're gonna do the basic review and disassembly instruction. Okay, so first, operating instructions. Here is the clip, which is this is not a BB gun. This is a pellet. Like here is a Gamo. Okay, this is an example of a Magnum from Gamo. I hope it will be seen cool. Okay, so this is example of the pellet that you can use here. But also you could get from Crossman, also 4.5 millimeters or 177 in US metrics. So this is a classic pellet, lead of course. There is also, for example, a hollow point pellet for this particular gun or any other gun on this caliber. Okay, so you get 8 rotating clip, and if you use all these 8 pellets, you can switch and insert into the gun again. Okay, so shoot, back, bang, 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 release, clip, rotate, and you get next 8 pellets. So the maximum capacity, if you switching the clip, is 16 rounds for one clip. I get 2 of those clips, and it's really handy because it is really fast shooting gun. This is blowback and it's moving really fast, and if you shoot, the cocker is on the plate, and so the the trigger have a really short distance after each side. It works exactly like the firearm. So before the first shoot, you have to move the slide back and the cocker will be set. Of course, now the safety, here is the safety switch. The safety is on, so you cannot cock the gun, okay? But if you unsave the gun, let's check again. Yeah, there is nothing in the chamber. The clip is outside, but the standard capsule, which is here, is loaded, okay? And it's full of the CO2. So to start shooting, you need to unsave the pistol. I can do it with one single smooth move, but I show you again, if you try to move it in this way, you cannot, because you have to put this switch back, and now you can unsave the gun. So unsave the gun, and if you put the slide back, the gun is cocked, and now it is ready to fire. Okay, so it's ready to shoot. There is no pellet in the chamber, so I could make some shoot for you here. Okay, so let's do the shooting. Okay, as you can maybe see, the slide go back and again cock the gun. So again shoot, and you know, after there is enough CO2 in a capsule, the slide will be going back. The interesting thing, if you save the gun, the cock is going down, the cocker is going down, and everything is safe, and now you cannot shoot simply. So this is a Gamo, and here is the signature. Maybe it is not seen, but there is a signature that it is made in Japan for Gamo. Gamo is a Spanish company, if I remember. Okay, so here is the standard clip release button, only one side. The safety, I talk about the safety. What else about? So the slide is fully metal. Here is some plastic, and the trigger is metal, fully metal, and the cocker is also metal, and the safety switch is also metal. The full skeleton of the gun, so here is a plastic. However, the plastic is a really good quality and really nice gun. Okay, and so now the second part, disassembly.